So today we are going to make simple, quick and easy fish curry. So for today's recipe, first wash your fish pieces and pat dry, and then take some salt, sprinkle it over, take some turmeric powder, add in, and some red chilli powder, and give it a good mix, but do it gently and ensure that fish pieces doesn't break. Also, before coating the masala, put some oil. Now coat the masala over the fish pieces. After coating the fish pieces, keep them aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Take a pan and add some oil into it. Once heated, slowly put the fish pieces, the marinated fish pieces, into it and let them fry for a few minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, or when you see that fish pieces from the side have started changing the color, flip the fish pieces. After flipping the fish pieces, let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes more, or till the sides start changing the color further. Now switch off the flame and take out the fish pieces, leaving the oil behind. Now take some oil in the same pan, add the whole spices, that means cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cardamom and cumin seeds and cloves, and let it cook for a few minutes or till it starts releasing the aroma. Add chopped onions and let them cook till they start turning brown. Add our grinded paste to it. Also add all the powdered spices, that means turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chilli powder, and salt into it. Now let's give it a good mix. After mixing, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or till oil starts separating. Now add curd and give it a good mix. After mixing well, let it simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Add water. Mix well. After mixing, bring it to boil. Now add in fried fish pieces. Cover the pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Open the pan and add garam masala as well as coriander leaves into it. Now sprinkle garam masala and let it cook for a minute. Now switch off the flame and we'll transfer it to the serving dish. Here is our spicy but very delicious Katla Bengali fish curry ready to eat. So serve it hot with steamed white steamed rice. To see you again very soon with the new dish, with the new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself and have a good night.